It starts quietly, then the wind grows stronger. Snow covers everything, roads disappear, and visibility drops to nothing. In a snowstorm, nature takes control. These powerful moments were caught on camera, showing how fast winter can turn dangerous. This is real weather, real impact. Welcome to Daily Cam TV.
A seriously hazardous situation caused by a glaring mistake from the utilities workers. An entire mass of snow came crashing down from the roof like an avalanche. Luckily, no one was hurt, except for a car which was damaged beyond repair. Don't trust that soft, fluffy snow on the roof. It compacts before you know it and turns into a serious hazard.
Oh my god.
Turns out you can get caught in an avalanche even in the city. Good thing the girls managed to sprint out of the way.
Oh my god. The apocalypse has started. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god.
Record-breaking snowfall doesn't just block the roads. In northern Italy, heavy wet snow brought down power lines and basically shut down life across the whole region. This is what a world ruled by frost looks like. Cozy homes have turned into frozen mazes where people simply don't belong anymore. This is Vorkuta, a polar city where winter reigns almost all year. Average temperatures drop below -20 degrees Celsius, sometimes past -50, and blizzards wipe out any last hope of comfort. New York was freezing. Temperatures dipped below -15 degrees Celsius. At Bryant Park, the Josephine Shaw Lowell Memorial Fountain became a real winter attraction. The heated water kept running, forming thick ice layers and bizarre icicles. But the beauty was deceptive. Too much ice could damage the sculpture, so the heating had to be switched off.
It really looks super cool. All the ice colors. It's pretty amazing fountain to look at. There you go.
Winter likes to make life complicated. Removing that sheet of ice takes work, and you have to do it gently. Solid ice can scratch your car's paint and harm any plastic trim. When the whole city freezes over, there's real danger looming right above you. In December 2013, a massive storm system swept across North America, bringing heavy snow, freezing rain, and even tornadoes. In Toronto, the ice storm crippled the city. Power lines collapsed, thousands of homes lost electricity, and the roads turned into sheets of ice. Even an ordinary winter day can suddenly turn into a natural disaster. In North Carolina, an ice storm left 190,000 people without power and turned the streets into a war zone. Trees snapped under the weight of the ice and crashed onto cars, crushing many of them. People were left in their homes without electricity or heat, and with traffic lights out, the roads descended into chaos. The cars look like they're trapped in icy coffins. This is the aftermath of a brutal storm on the Versoix waterfront in Switzerland. Lake Geneva was raging, with several days of strong winds and sub-zero temperatures wreaking havoc. Winter can throw a city into chaos almost instantly, especially where drivers aren't really used to snow. There's no point trying to fight black ice, it always wins. The ice shell that Lake Erie's waves left on the houses in Hamburg is unbelievably tough. You can't even break it with a hammer. It looks spectacular, but it's actually dangerous.
Edmis is still feeling the effects.
The ice puts enormous pressure on the structures and can block ventilation, increasing the risk of carbon monoxide buildup. After incidents like this, officials are already considering protective measures, possibly even building a breakwater to keep the spray from reaching shore.
Ed's home and street are frozen, and until things begin to melt, he's just trying to make
the aftermath of burst heating pipes. Kind of beautiful in its own way, but an absolute nightmare for the people living there. Scenes of total road chaos on a New York highway. The culprit is black ice, that super thin layer of ice where the dark asphalt shows right through. It's sneaky stuff. Drivers think it's just a wet road, but the tires lose grip instantly, and crashes are almost guaranteed. Even studded tires don't help.
Let us know in the comments which of these clips was your favorite. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.